Welcome to Spiritual Minefield 1 Minute Devotion. Today we're going to look at Isaiah chapter 44 verse 6, and it says, "Thus says the Lord, the King and Redeemer of Israel, the Lord of hosts, I am the first and I am the last, and there's no God but me." Here, God is saying that before all things existed, he was there, and after all things, he shall be there. He will never stop existing. He's always been there since the beginning. He has no beginning and he has no end. Now, Catholic theology says that Mary is the mother of God. However, God has no beginning. So how can Mary, a mere creature, be the mother of God? Now, they say their logic is that Mary had Jesus and Jesus is God, so Mary's the mother of God. That is incorrect. Mary had the humanity of Jesus, not the divinity of Jesus. When Mary gave birth, she gave birth to the humanity side of Jesus, not the divinity side of Jesus. So Mary is not the mother of God. Mary was the mother of Jesus in the flesh. Thank you for listening.